Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we got us another BattlBox. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Alright, so we got BattlBox. I will have a link to them in the description box of this video if you feel so inclined to go check them out. They have several different boxes for you to choose from at all varying price points. And I will say this box isn't that big, but this box weighs like 9 pounds. So I'm very curious to see kind of what's in this, and what we are going to open this box with is going to be another Gerber. And after this box, I'm going to not give you any more Gerber knives because I know we've had a couple Gerber knives. But this is the Gerber Keynote. And it's a really interesting little knife, I guess you want to call it that, a little blade. It does have a keyring loop here, and you can tell from me holding it, this thing is very, very small. And it does have like an inside pocket, you know, to put it in your pocket if you wanted to take the key loop off, because it does have a screw right here. You can take this off, and you can just put it in your pocket. It does have a tab right here at the top. I don't know how you can see that right there. And it does have some anodized bits on it. You know, hopefully that will come in, little anodized pieces. It's a cool looking, you know, blade. But the gist of it here is you just articulate this little tab a little bit, and it kind of starts the blade coming out. And then you can articulate it all the way up. And yeah, so it's not big. It's very, very short. It doesn't have the length, but it's got the girth. Yeah. Does have a liner lock. And the cool thing about this, I guess if you want to go as far as say it's cool, is you can hold it this way, and this is actually meant to be used like a scraper, and then it does have a cutting edge. Although I will say this, both edges are sharp. So yeah, it's just an interesting little knife to have. You guys sound off in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about the Gerber Keynote. If you, you know, this is something that you would carry, or something you think is just utterly ridiculous, or it's actually kind of cool. These kind of knives like this, to me, this is a perfect box opener, because, you know, it's not big, and it's just big enough to cut boxes without cutting them too deep, and, you know, it's not obtrusive or anything like that. And the steel on this is, you know, 5CR something or other. It's going to be a Chinese stainless. It's going to be a Chinese steel, so just prepare yourself for that, because this thing can be had for around 22 bucks off of Gerber's website, or, you know, Amazon or somewhere like that. So yeah, that's that. And like I said, this box does weigh 9 pounds, so I'm kind of interested to see what all is in this. And the first thing we have here is a shirt that says Southern Survival Design. Okay, let's open it up and see. It is a medium, and I kind of prefer to wear large. Yeah, that's probably gonna, by the time it goes through the wash one time, it's probably gonna be too small, but yeah, there you go. Southern Survival, little t-shirt. And I don't see a card or anything on top. Oh, this is why the thing weighs so much. Okay, so one of the things I found with BattlBox, and there was another box that had a lot of Lord and Field stuff. This is a Lord and Field. Let's see it right there. You can see the tags. The Lord and Field. It's a wool blanket. Let's see. Oh, it's a nice wool blanket. Yeah, it doesn't say nothing on there, I guess, to say how big it is. Alright, so we got us a Lord and Field wool blanket, which obviously took up a lot of the weight in the bag. And then we got some more Lord and Field stuff. More Lord and Field stuff. Okay, this is a Lord and Field themed event here. But there's no card. Okay, that's it. Okay, so there's no card. which is interesting because generally you get a card to tell you prices and what month it is and all that kind of stuff. So we're just going to go with it. Okay, so far we got this shirt, this medium shirt. We got a wool blanket from Lord & Field. Let's see what this is. This is Lord & Field Bushcraft Spice Wallet. A spice wallet. Okay. A spice wallet. Oh man, I love all this Lord & Field stuff because it's leather, you know. Oh, now this is really cool. This is really cool. Check out this. You got these little, hopefully that's glass. These little vials that you can put spices in that have corks. Have little corks on the top. And there are 4 of them in here. And they have like a little holster. So this is your little spice wallet. And you just fold the bottom up, fold the top over. It's got some buttons there to keep her shut. And then it has a way for you to hook it to something, and then it has a piece of leather here where you can kind of go north, south, east, west with a webbing or whatever. Or you can carry this on your belt if you're a super hardcore griller or you're making a lot of food for a lot of people and you need all them spices, man. There you go. Stuff like this to me, when I get it, it's cool, but practical, other than the fact that I like it because it's made out of leather and it has that, you know, it even with the little vials, you know, just having that kind of old world look. I mean, come on. I mean, you know, you pull out, you know, spices in this with a cork, you know, I mean, that's really old school, you know, aesthetic going on here. And I really do like that. And that's going to obviously be something that's not going to be for everybody. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there are going to be people that get this and say like, oh my God, you know, I don't want this. But I think it's really cool. Again, comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think. And like I said, all this stuff is from Lord & Field. All right. And this is just some... Okay, this is like something for a satchel, I would assume. I would assume that... Okay. Does it tell me what it is? Is it for this other thing here? Okay, this is a blanket sleeping bag carrier. Okay, so yeah, you can just take our wool blanket there and you can wrap it up and you can use this to carry it, and it's really cool. It has some really good stitching on it. It has an embossed Lord & Field there on it. Hopefully that shows up good. But yeah, so awesome. We're really, man, all I need is a cowboy hat and a horse. And I'll be looking the part. But it's kind of disconcerting that there's no card or anything, or no description of the products, or that's kind of odd. Very odd. And what do we have here? Oh, cool. Okay, awesome. Sweet. So we got some cooking stuff. And are these going to be just rods? Yeah. All right. All right. We got something for a lid. We got a Dutch oven going. All right. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's awesome. And we got all the stuff for it. So yeah. I don't know what this is made out of. But yeah. All right. All right. So we got this nice little setup here. It has a really nice holder in it. And I'm assuming that this is, I mean, this is what I would use this for. I mean, you guys can tell me in the comment section down below what you guys, but I would use this. Or wait a minute, it has these little notches on it. And of course I'm wearing black. Oh, there you go. You can see those little notches there. There's one here, and one here. I would just assume that this would be something that you could just take a Dutch oven lid off with. I mean, that would be my first guess. I could be wrong though. It would not be the first time, which is why I wish there was a card, you know? Because at the end of the day, when you get this stuff, yeah, you can use it for whatever you want. You know, you can use it however you see fit. But yeah, that's what I would assume, right? Am I crazy? I'm pretty sure in the comment section somebody will tell me how dumb I am, that I don't know what this is, and that's okay. So yeah, okay, so, and we got this. Let's see, we got one more thing. Okay, so far we got the leather spice holder, we got the sleeping bag, blanket holder, we got the shirt, we got the cool little cooking tray, little job there, and we got this Lord and Field box, which is, I like the box. It's like a little puzzle box. It's got a little slide door on it. It has the Lord and Field kind of burned into it. And I think we're going to have a, what is this? It's a couple things. And it looks like some cotton. Is this going to be some type of, oh, this is going to be some way to make fire. Oh yeah, okay. Ooh, I like the handle on that ferro rod. Boy, that's a pretty stout ferro rod there. But the handle's really cool. I like the handle. The handle's really neat. It's got a little tether on it there, and then where this is obviously probably going to be just a striker. Ooh, it's a, ooh. Okay, all right. There you go. It's not sharp. It doesn't have a sharp edge on it. It's blunt. So obviously this is just so you can, not going to really do it on my table, but yeah. So yeah. And they give you a little thing of, what is this? Is this like lint or something? I'd assume it would be something like lint. So yeah, okay. So we got that, and it came in this really cool, little wooden box from Lord and Field. One of these days I'm going to have to look up Lord and Field and just see like what all kind of products they sell, because they tend to do sell a lot of these leather items. Okay, so this battle box came with a Lord and Field wool blanket. It came with the fire starter. It came with the spice, the little spice carrier. It came with the blanket carrier, the little cook set, and a t-shirt. So that's all we got, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm trying to get used to these Oakleys. So there you have it. What do you guys think for this particular battle box? Do you think it was worth it? I don't have a thing, so I don't know which box this was supposed to be, because they've owed me a couple boxes, so I don't know how I'm getting billed. I have to look and see. But anyway, that's it for this video. I will put a subscription button up here, a next video up here. Let me know what you guys think about any of these products. Do you think they're cool? Do you think that they have LARPing value or any practical value to you? That's all I have, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.